As some of you out there might know, Finnish people aren't that great in English, or at least the pronunciation is a bit hard for some of us. As a tribute to the Finnish language and all the Finns, we decided to make a video that'll show you how us Finns pronounce some band names. Like, really, you hear some of these all the time, and some of them are quite amusing.
Beatles.
Slipknot. And the frontman of Slipknot is Corey Taylor. You can also find 133 from the band.
Bring Me the Horizon. Or BMTH.
Attak Attak.
Murder Dolls.
Metallica.
Ramones.
Dimmu Borgir.
Immortal.
Rush.
Blink 182.
Alice Cooper.
My Chemical Romance. Or MCR.
Mötley Crüe.
Motorhead.
Meshugga.
Alestorm.
Karkas.
Amaranthe.
Ministry.
Of Magic. Uria Heep.
ZZ-toppi.
Lynyrt Skynyrt.
Satyricon.
Gorgorot.
Asking Alexandria.
Emperor.
Anthrax.
Bon Jovi.
Led Zeppelin.
Manowar.
Red Hot Chili Peppers.
The Clash.
The Doors.
The Cult.
The Who.
Oceano.
Dragon Force.
Marilyn Manson.
Judas Priest.
Stone.
Stone Sour.
Van Halen.
Spartsansa.
Suicide Silence.
Pornofosiris.
Saosin.
Chelsea Green.
Limp Bizkit.
Accept.
Alesana.
Cannibal Corpse.
Linkin Park.
Attila.
Pantera. System of a Down.
Arch Enemy.
Disturbed. One Direction.
Nirvana.
Muse.
Avenged Sevenfold.